Good morning, I'm Tracy and Neale from Argo Yachting here in Mallorca. Today I'm in the beautiful marina in Calador on the east of the island. We're going to show you something a little bit special today. So today presenting this beautiful Riva Rivale 52. Come on board, I'll show you around. Well, welcome on board this stunning 2009 Rivale 52. You'd never believe it's 2009 by the condition. Now Riva, you know, they're renowned for the craftsmanship, the design, the luxurious comfort they provide. This one in particular is finished in this beautiful classic Riva grey sand colour, and it contrasts through the whole of the boat. So let me give you a walk around what I think is the best example of a Rivale 52 on the market today. So the first thing you see is the sense of space you have on here, the most enormous cockpit and sun pad area. The sun pad here lifts and you've got a Minijet Williams fitted in there on the Riva tender launch system, so it's an effortless launch and on off. Access on the boat is from a Bezenzoni two-stage passerrelle, which makes life easier, especially over here in the Med where it's aft to docking. The teak, as you can see, it's impeccable condition. It's good quality, thick teak that Riva use, and the whole of the cockpit is teak, including the side decks and the foredeck. You have this foldable teak high gloss table, which you could seat 6 or 8 people around that comfortably with their bottle of wine, nibbles on a beautiful sunny day like today. And this comes through here, you have a wet bar. This one's configured with the cooler box there. So you drop your ice, your cooler, there's an actual fridge compartment in there, so that keeps your drinks really nice and cold for the day. So that's the wet bar, and right beneath that is the access to the engine room, so easy to get to, and that's got twin MAN 900 engines, which really make the boat perform well at sea. We're going to take her out later as well, so you see some footage of her in action. Hope you like that too. So here's the helm with classic Riva steering wheel covered in leather. That's the leather that matches the rest of the cockpit. All the seating is covered with this beautiful sunbrella bespoke covers, which really give great protection from sun, water, salt water. If you've been swimming, you sit on here, it just absorbs it and doesn't damage the rest of the boat and keeps it impeccably clean. So on the helm itself, all the standard features, your twin throttles, your thrusters, bow and stern. It's been upgraded with a new Raymarine hybrid touch, so all the information you need is there. Well, here I am sitting at the helm station. First thing that you notice is the view. It's phenomenal. You've got complete panoramic view throughout the whole of the boat. I'm 6'4" tall, whether you're shorter, you've got versatility. It's got an adjustable footrest, electric bimini. Now this folds in completely out the way if you want completely open boating. Incidentally, the material is brand new and custom made for this. It also has an extension piece that fits on manually to give you even more coverage across the back of the sun pads. If you really love the sun, you've got the foredeck as well, which is enormous. And the reason it's enormous, it's actually got 3 twin cabins on here. Come and have a look inside and I'll show you the downstairs. And here we are in the saloon, and I'm so happy the air conditioning is on. It's 34 degrees outside right now. It's coming through these vents here, vents there. As you can see, all the finishing here is just such a nice quality. It's very typical Riva. You've got the grey GRP, which is matching the rest of the boat, the grey sand, down to this amazing eye-shaped table. You could probably sit 6 to 8 people around there comfortably. It's all this beautiful cream leather. We have these matching sofas that pull out. They also act as storage as well, which is quite useful. All the carpet throughout is brand new, and it's this really nice quality deep pale grey, which contrasts again beautifully with the rest of the boat. First thing you can see here is this enormous cabinet. Now this is very Riva. You open this, I'd say it's probably doubles the amount of space you got there. All your crockery can go in there, and that covers this really useful freezer. Again, the quality just feels, every component just feels like top quality. You have a brand new Samsung Smart TV, and that's connected through the PEP Wave 5G router that's installed on the boat as well. And this goes through a Bose sound system, which has got an additional upgraded Bluetooth connector, so you can connect all your devices to that quite effortlessly. I forgot to mention the lighting now. Every light on the boat has been updated, from the hot halogen ones to these lovely LEDs, which are really efficient. But this, on the saloon area, has the wonderful mood lighting. So you can have it blue, or you can switch it to red. So depending what kind of a mood you're in, you can set the lights for the occasion. Here, this is very clever. They have a large worktop galley area, and it's a compact area, but really practical. I'm 6'4", I think I mentioned earlier. I can stand up straight here, so it gives you such a sense of space. You've got the galley. This opens up from a worktop to a fully functional 4-ring hub. Underneath here is a very useful dishwasher, a Bosch one. And then under here is cupboard space. You never have too much cupboard space. You've got, again, this finish is really high quality. You've got space in there that goes, the depth of there is probably half a metre deep there. You've got the toaster and various condiments. And this side is the Panasonic combi oven there, which again, if you want to cook, it's there for you. It also has a grill built in, and even more storage space there. We've got crockery, plates, cups, saucers, and that's probably a square metre of space there. And this leads on to the really generous sized forward master stateroom. Entrance is through this door again with the beautiful Riva veneers, the highly polished handles, the same as the other doors with the Riva logo on there. Even the tread plate in is stainless steel with the Riva logo, similar to a classic Italian sports car. So in the bedroom itself, you've got loads of storage space, a TV, again that's connected to the sound system that's on here, and that leads us through to the ensuite, which again is full height shower, toilet, sink, really good quality fittings throughout, lots of storage space, porthole window, again LED lights, and the teak shower tray. Right, so that was the master stateroom. Now I'm going to show you the port stateroom, one of the 3 bedrooms that we have on here. Again, really generously sized. Come and have a look. You've got the twin beds there. Again, stainless steel threshold strip with the logo, new carpets. You've got access there. Those panels drop down and give you full access to the tech space behind the helm, which is really, really practical. You have a TV, you have a generous sized wardrobe space, and again, full height for standing. And that leads on to a great sized ensuite. Now this ensuite has a Jack and Jill door, again with the same Riva handles, and that will double as a day head, and of an evening your guests can have full privacy, lock this door and use it as an ensuite. Full height shower, sink, toilet, porthole. Then this leads us to the starboard cabin. Again, very similar dimensionally to the port cabin. Twin beds, wardrobe, new carpets. The boat has hardly been slept on by the owners. It's been impeccably looked after and just feels so fresh. You'd never believe this is a 2009 classic Riva. So we're back here in Calidore. As you can see, it's quite a thrilling ride. The sea conditions were beautiful. The boat handled impeccably, performed amazingly. You'll see that on the video. But anyway, to recap, we have 2009 Riva Rivale 52, and I honestly think you will not find a better one on the market. She's been meticulously maintained, low hours, and just every detail is to perfection. So come and have a look. You won't be disappointed.